My views on the tech space in Trinidad and Tobago. Technology is methods, systems, and devices which are the result of scientific knowledge being used for practical purposes. ICT is the infrastructure and components that enable modern computing. There are several definitions, so I have to choose the ones that make sense to me and that I like, especially in the context of this presentation and the information I am wanting to share. The players are the general public, leaders, decision makers, visionaries, technocrats, engineers, tech workers, content creators, educators, and students. These are my broad categorization of persons, and there would be different ways to do this. Trinidad and Tobago is a developing country in the Caribbean with a higher standard of living stemming from profits from oil and gas. But our future prosperity depends on the diversification of our economy and the strategic use of technologies. I strongly believe that we need a dedicated minister and Ministry of Technology. Technology is a pillar of modern societies. We need representation at the highest level of government. Math, English, and tech should be the core subjects. Technology is needed everywhere, just like maths and English, and this fits right in with a tech focus and modern future. When I listen to complaints, I think that most pain points are from inefficient and broken workflows. Based on this, we should be examining how tech can be used to improve workflows, and related to this is performance management. Overall, I would describe the tech space locally as developing. Then I would say that we should look at these areas for improvement firstly. Poor leadership, passion versus salary, who listens to the visionaries, lack of media coverage, not enough tech in schools, outdated processes, data driven decision making. Some of the positives: several tech groups doing good work, mobile and internet infrastructure, many tech graduates. What can we learn from other countries? Open data availability, research and development, online and mobile payments, tech entrepreneurship, work from home. I did a search on Twitter for Trinidad Tech to see what comes up and came across tweets related to these: smart home, innovation, renewable energy, tech startups, digital currency, and smart farming. I wish that we recognize how big a role tech plays in creating solutions for our problems. In summary, the tech space in Trinidad needs pushing forward. Tech and country development goes hand in hand. Share your thoughts on the topic using the hashtag #TechInTrinidad. If you want exposure on my tech blog or need to get my input on tech related matters, I would be glad to assist.